You know, I find it very exciting that more and more medical physicians, in particular in this greater Seattle area, are recognizing chiropractic. They're recognizing clinics like this at Graham Rehabilitation, where we incorporate chiropractic care, physical medicine, massage, exercise programs, diet protocols, cleansing programs that are all designed not only to help you get out of pain, but to elevate the quality of your life. That's what we're really here for, and that's really what this center is all about.
Because there are very few places that I've been to where, like I say, you walk in and when you leave you feel better, and the people there make you feel better, and they make you feel good about being there to begin with.
People are just friendlier, they're more compassionate. I don't feel like I'm going to the doctor here.
Just having a classy presentation with a really well-trained staff and a very loving atmosphere, that really does show up that this is a premier facility.
Just very comfortable. It's like home, you know. We're coming to another home to get some health and healing, and everybody's so friendly. And
actually, the first thing that I noticed was the friendly folks at the front desk.
I feel like when I come in here, I'm actually coming to my home. They're very welcoming and loving, and the treatment stands on its own.
And I was having problems with headaches and with neck pain, and
I started getting sciatica, some shooting pains down through my low back and through my legs.
The last year or so, the pain started getting so bad that I wasn't able to tie my shoes without sitting down, or
numbing down my shoulder into my thumb.
The problem I had was Achilles tendonitis.
Low back pain primarily, I did have some leg symptoms as well, just from a disc injury.
My shoulder just locked up on me and I could not move it, and it was just very, very painful.
I was unable to walk. I was looked and appeared like I was about 80 years old.
Small things I couldn't do, like putting on your socks and your shoes, was difficult.
I got to a point probably around 2000, 2001 where I thought I may never run long distance again. I may never be able to do the activities that I've done in the past.
After seeing MDs for years and trying to have them help diagnose it and things, nothing really got better.
We're going to sit down with you and we're going to talk to you about your problem and really listen.
The person that's taking care of you sincerely cares about you, and I think that that's something that's shown through the staff from the time you enter through the front door till the time that you leave through the front door.
Dr. Groban was really good at listening to my story, asking questions, and making sure he really understood what my problem was.
And my consultation started with Dr. Saunders, and he was amazing. I mean, he sat down and listened to me. He asked me questions,
And here was this person I'd never met talking to me, evaluating my condition, both physically and mentally and emotionally, how this was taking a toll on me.
Rehabilitation, it's chiropractic, it's massage therapy, and it's listening to the patient to come.
Basically what we try to do in this center is educate our patients about how to take care of themselves, about what they can do to be healthier, about what they can do to live longer, about what they can do to prevent degenerative disease in their bodies.
It's a different approach. It's a patient-focused approach.
I felt really good with the adjustments, and just my the program itself was fantastic. So.
And I was feeling much better. My back was moving in a way that it had not, in my memory, ever done before.
So I started to get some relief on my leg, and it didn't hurt. It didn't have the numbness I had, and then by the third, fourth, it started to really feel a lot better.
The headaches reduced in both frequency and intensity.
But within a few weeks, I wasn't noticing the problems barely at all.
From the first day, I was able to stand up straight and not feel like something was holding me down. And
the Achilles is doing a lot better.
And I'm seeing improvements, almost weekly, which after being at a stagnant point for so many years, that's really exciting.
Headaches overall, feel better, can go home and be a better mother to my 3 young children.
You know, it does. It relieves the pressure on my back. And once that's gone, I feel so much better.
My back is so great. I mean, I just feel so much looser. I mean, I really don't have any limitation.
It was great. So everyone was in the loop. Everyone knew my progress and what next steps they had to take to get me back to better.
It's just a nice renewed ability to just feel fantastic and to see have the kids notice that they can jump and play on me again and go to work and be 100% without yelping, and it's very exciting to be in good shape again.
I would recommend this place to anyone and everyone.
I think what I really enjoy is the fact that I've got a place where I can go, where I can get good health maintenance, like for my back, my lower and upper back. But I've also found a place that when I have those emergencies, like my shoulder and my knee, I've got some place that I can go. There are doctors that I know and I trust, and I've gotten relief in each one of those emergency instances. So it's been great.
I think I became a real firm believer that there was no reason that people should suffer from pain, that people should be limited in what they do. They just need to have an appropriate strategy to get from where they are to a place where they can move and be active.
I just wish I would have came here years ago, because there was 3 or 4 years where I was just miserable, and I don't know why I waited so long.